Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Google Forms, open the form you want anonymous. First, go straight to Settings and untick Collect Email Addresses so responses won't record emails. Once done, make sure Restrict to your organization or Require Sign-in is turned off. This prevents Google Account ID from attaching to answers. Also disable Response Receipts and Limit to One Response options. You're doing this so the form won't capture identity metadata. These steps remove the most common automatic identifiers before you continue. Now design the questions with anonymity in mind. Don't add name fields or any identifier like employee ID. Instead, use neutral categories such as department or role ranges if you must. When setting required responses, be careful. Forcing extra fields can inadvertently collect identity info. Use multiple choice or Likert scales to gather feedback without free text that may reveal identity. Then preview the form in an incognito window or a separate account. This confirms you aren't prompted to sign in. Finish by setting response handling and sharing. Choose Send and copy the link or embed code rather than emailing directly, because email invites can link responses to addresses. Make sure response collection options like Edit After Submit are set as intended. After collecting a few test entries, open responses and export to CSV to verify there are no email or user ID columns. If you spot identities, stop distribution. Revisit settings, especially collect email addresses and restrict to organization, and retest in a private browser to fix the leak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.